Pray like my mama, cook like my daddy. Come with me as I make my wild rice gravy and sauteed shrimp. So the first thing you want to do is put whatever trinity you use. Get a nice base. You want a nice cooked cup of wild brown rice. Mix that in with some butter, some flour, until you get this consistency here. Want to add in a little chicken broth, not too much. You don't want it to be too salty. After you add in your chicken broth, you want to go ahead and throw in your shrimp. We're using Louisiana shrimp, big old boys. All right, add your season again, not too much. You don't want it to be too salty. You want to just saute that down a little bit. You see that consistency there? I'm going to add a little spice to it. Oh yeah, we're looking good. Now let's cover that for about 5 minutes, guys, on a low or medium heat. Once you get this consistency here, you're done. The only thing left to do is to plate it. Oh, look how beautiful that is, man. Those big old shrimps. And of course, we gotta eat it. Let's taste it. Look at that. Don't that look good? You gotta use wild rice. That's the only thing that's gonna hold together in this process. Other than that, you're just gonna be eating mush. Nice texture, all of the seasoning blending in there, perfect, guys. Yeah, very good. Only thing we gotta do now is just dance. Wow, rice gravy and shrimp.